In a world where food security and healthcare are more crucial than ever, India has taken a decisive step forward, and the spotlight is on Saudi Arabia. Union Minister for Health and Family Welfare and Chemicals and Fertilizers, JP Nadda, recently concluded a pivotal 3-day visit to Saudi Arabia, a visit that's now being hailed as a milestone in India's strategic diplomacy. Between July the 11th and 13th, high-level meetings took place in Dammam and Riyadh. The biggest headline: long-term agreements were signed between Saudi Arabia's Maaden and 3 major Indian fertilizer firms, IPL, Cribco, and Chambal Fertilizers. These deals secure the supply of over 3.1 million metric tons of diammonium phosphate annually for 5 years, a 63% leap over current import levels. And the best part: these contracts come with the option to extend for another 5 years, ensuring long-term stability for Indian agriculture. India's fertilizer security is a cornerstone of our agricultural sustainability and economic resilience. But the conversation didn't stop at DAP. Discussions also covered other key fertilizers like urea, vital for India, one of the world's largest consumers. Saudi Arabia showed strong interest in joint research, customized fertilizer production for Indian soil, and even tech collaboration. A joint working team has been formed, led by senior Indian and Saudi officials, to plan long-term cooperation. India's public sector companies are now eyeing investment in Saudi Arabia's fertilizer production and green ammonia projects. At the same time, Saudi investors are exploring opportunities in India's agro-input supply chains, R&D, and sustainable fertilizer solutions. Minister Nadda's visit to the massive Maaden facility in Ras Al Khair showed firsthand the scale of Saudi innovation. The visit also made significant progress in health sector cooperation. In meetings with Saudi health officials, plans were discussed around medical services exchange, pharmaceutical manufacturing, telemedicine and digital health platforms, public health system development. India's strength in generic medicine production and digital healthcare aligns perfectly with Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030, which aims to modernize its healthcare infrastructure. Nadda also met with the Saudi Energy Minister, Prince Abdulaziz bin Salman Al Saud. Discussions extended beyond fertilizers to green energy, investment, and supply chain resilience. India and Saudi Arabia are part of a strategic partnership council formed in 2019. Bilateral trade crossed $43 billion in 2024-25, and cooperation is expanding across defense, space, and education. Analysts call this visit a model of strategic bilateralism, a win for both nations. India ensures price stability for millions of farmers. Saudi Arabia deepens its global economic outreach. Next steps include launching the fertilizer supply chain from April 2025, establishing joint health and pharma working groups, setting up R&D centers for green ammonia and sustainable farming. As Minister Nadda said, this visit marks not just a milestone for the present, but a foundation for the future, for a greener, healthier, and more prosperous partnership between India and Saudi Arabia. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on India's international partnerships. See you in the next one.